Hello, everybody. Chance says hello. He's playing with his toy. He's happy to see his mom. He had a little bit to eat. And now he's in play mode. Hi, baby. He's so cute. His ears are getting long. His legs have grown longer. Chance. Chance. Let's get a better picture. He's still a little baby. But he has grown. Oh! He likes that toy. Grabs it by the rope and swings it around. It's hard to keep up with. Now, is that a happy dog or what? Who's a good boy? Roll over? Who's a good boy, eh? Oh! We had his vet checkup on Friday, where he got the core boosters. And then we go back in another 4 weeks, and then we'll get the kennel cough vaccine. Our vet was, this is the first time that we've seen this vet, obviously with Chance. Where are you? Here, I'll grab him. Where are you? But she was the one that we saw when we put Milo to sleep. And that's the first time we'd ever seen her. So she was very thorough. And she says we have a lovely dog. Well, we knew that, but with a lovely temperament. And so I told her about what Elizabeth and Drew at Red Barn Cavaliers, how they raise their pups. Oh, it's not dead yet. Get over here. How they raise their pups, you know, to be the best they can be. I mean, you know, psychological wellness, not just here, my dog had puppies and you can buy one. There's a lot of that going on, but these folks really care about what they're doing. They put a lot of thought into their breeding. And we got a lovely pup. With one blue eye and one brown eye, and the vet says that's perfectly fine. There's no reason to be concerned. When a dog's eye changes color from its original color to another, then they worry about eye disease. But when it's born with two color eyes, that's called heterochromia, and that's perfectly fine. We knew that. I just needed somebody from the vet community to tell me that, because other people were telling me different, and you try not to listen to those other ones. Chance. He wants to run, or he wants to come right up beside me and whip it. Hi, baby. Where's Chance? Look at that face. He gets so worried when I say that, like I can't find him. Oh, come here. Oh, I can't flip this thing back. Here. So it's very cold here today. It's stopped snowing for now. Got a bit half an inch last night. But it is a lot colder. I was saying this morning, I looked on the Fahrenheit scale and it's -4. I think it's warmed up to about -2 Fahrenheit. But it's still like -10 to -13 Celsius. Are you a good boy? You look like Henry. That's who you look like. Or Henry looks like you because you were born first. Hope everybody's all ready for Christmas. I didn't really want to put a tree up. And I know it's kind of bah humbug, but I just don't want him getting into anything. Not like well, he's a pup. We were thinking of getting a small tree, but here we are on the 19th, and we can also put it up in our downstairs rec room. But I don't know. We're going to be going to other people's places for Christmas. Look at his spots. Look at, he's got one just right there, this big one here, this one that matches the other on the other side. He's got the one on his shoulder, the one on the base of the tail, and I noticed that, is it blue? I was looking at blue this morning, and he's got more brown, because of course Pom Pom has more brown. But he's got that on the tail butt spot. And then of course he's got all those little spots on his toes, on his Grinch feet. He's got the little bit of a thumbprint there, and it looks like there's another one wanted to start, but it just kind of blended in with the ears. Where are you, buddy? Where's Chance? Hi. Little spots on his nose, a couple more spots on his feet. We love him. He's perfect. It's hard to film when he wants to climb on you. You can get it. He's climbed up the back stairs now, the 3 stairs into the kitchen from the landing from outside. Sometimes it's ceramic, so sometimes he's not sure about it. So we give him a boost, but he's scampered up there a few times. But there's no reason for him to be going up and down just yet. All in due time. Anyways, that's a little bit of Chance. And no, we're not going to do that. Hey, no. Leave it. Leave it. Chance. Here, chew that. Okay, well, make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll try and keep the videos coming and see how he grows daily. And everybody have a Merry Christmas and Happy Hanukkah and Happy Holidays. Hey. And we'll see you next time. Take care now.